Nokta Detectors presents FINDX Metal Detector. Complete detecting set including headphones, digger, and a carrying bag. Compact and lightweight. Rechargeable battery. Modern design and robust construction. Unbeatable value with high performance. Easy to use, the ultimate beginner's choice. FINDX finds it all. Jewelry, coins, relics, and gold. Fully automatic search modes: field, park, jewelry, and beach. Pro version is fully waterproof, up to 16 feet. Turn on Go Detector. FINDX Metal Detector. Setting a new standard in metal detection, making old tech detectors obsolete. No other detector comes close at this price point.